I'm Nour Abu Saif. I'm a multidisciplinary creative, and I'm also the co-founder of Culture Mocktail. This year, we're selling our Culture Mocktail card game in the Biennale Design Store, which we're really excited about. And it's a conversation start game that's all about unfolding and embracing your cultural identity. So both my co-founder Aisha and I are very multicultural. So we grew up between Eastern and Western environments. So in 2020, we actually started a podcast where we would talk about these conversations and our relationship with our culture and how it has shaped us. But we found that a lot of people were connecting with the conversations that we were having, and we wanted to turn it into a game where people can have these conversations between themselves. So that's what inspired the concept of the game. Well, in terms of the creative process of the visual identity of the game, we wanted something that screams cultural mix. So we're very much inspired by the Arabic tashkil in the game. So like even each category of the game is inspired by a tashkil. So for example, the openness category is inspired by the fatha, the fearlessness category is inspired by the kasra, and so on. So we felt like the different elements of the tashkil really allows people to explore different elements of their cultural identity. I think the Biennale Design Store has a really vital role in helping us emerging artists and designers and having a platform and really being seen by a global audience. When visitors come to the store, they can open the sample game and really pick out a question. And I hope it can spark like a new conversation that maybe they've never had before, allows them to feel empowered to explore their cultural identity in a new way. That's really the goal.